materials that we've kind of salvaged and turned into really cool clothes. Please hold your applause until the end. We've got some really good music that we're going to play as they're walking down. And my last piece of the challenge was that I told them they needed to somehow incorporate a star into their design. So as the models are walking down the runway, be looking for those stars and how they figured out how they're going to put that into their design. There's a slideshow that's going to be going on behind them. You'll see the name of the person wearing the outfit and then the other designers who worked on that outfit. So, I think we're just about ready.
So we thought it might be nice to recognize some people that work really, really hard every day in our school. Something we do every day is we eat lunch, right? And a lot of us eat hot lunch. Raise your hand if you eat hot lunch. Yeah. So you go through that line sometimes every day, sometimes once a week, and you probably pick your favorite meals. And there's people that take all that time to make those meals for us. They work really hard. They get here before anybody else in the school. They get here first thing in the morning, and then they're working really hard, but we don't even see them working that hard. So we wanted to present them with a little something. So we're asking them to come in.
Come on in. Don't see shit.
So the Sunshine Committee would like to take a moment to recognize the hard work done all year by the kitchen staff, providing healthy and delicious meals with a smile. Can we give them a round of applause? Thank you so much for all that you do.
So we had a really busy Monday morning meeting, so much so that now we have a Wednesday one. And one of the things we wanted to make sure we did was to recognize those staff and students who have May, June, July, and August birthdays. And rather than the piano today, Mrs. Yankowskis is going to accompany us with the violin. I don't need it. So you already have to sing. Yes, so if your birthday is May, June, July, or August, please stand. The 5th grade girls who were involved with Girls on the Run to please come up. They have a little presentation. So 5th grade girls.
I love that.
We would like to thank all the coaches who helped us with Girls on the Run. Come up so we can give you a little something to congratulate you or thank you for helping us. So can you come on up, please?
So next we have a special skit by our hosts. They've been doing a great job, and we thought it would be fun to kind of reminisce a little, just so those 5th graders don't forget about us. And for all of you, as a reminder, it's a perfect day for this because we're having our celebration later today, celebrating all the great work everyone did with their star behavior throughout the year. So we have, we're going to take a little minute to set up.
Guys.
Oh, Sean, another day.
Yep.
A nice day like this sure does remind me of Sandown West. It means Sandown North. Are you forgetting to take your vitamins again? Give me a break. It's been 70-some-odd years now. Remember those Rolex? How could I ever forget those? Those were some of the best times. Well, if I had learned those important skills, I wouldn't have this Nobel Peace Prize for diversity I earned back in 2035.
And if I had never learned to have self-control, I never would have earned my black belt in karate.
I'm incapable of listening and following directions, Willow. All my children know my son just like this work, and I would say, stop, look, and listen.
I know what you mean. Just the other day I was thinking about being an upstander. I can still remember when Nathan defended me from that bully. My life was so much better after that day.
I'm thinking about it. Oh, remember those star tickets and the monthly celebrations? My favorite was game day. I like pie day.
My favorite was when we made slime.
I always remember the kindness rollouts. I use those skills in speaking to people here at the retirement home, especially during bingo and shuffleboard.
I'm hungry. Let's go to the cafeteria and get something to eat.
My goodness, it's well past 4 o'clock. We'll never be carbs tonight.
I wish our food here at the retirement home was as good as the Star Crest Diner.
We can wait until the place empties out at 5:30, but don't miss the Jonas Brothers variety hour. They still have milk too.
I hope they sing the Journey song.
Well, we did learn some great things during those rollouts.
This walk down memory lane has really helped me. Come on!
Performance, and we're going to dedicate this to our 5th graders because you've helped us come alive. The music together, she put up with us, with our practices, and she put it on. I shouldn't tell you everything she's done, because we should have looked a lot better. She sent us videos so that we could practice at home, and this was out of some of our comfort zone, not mine, but. So a huge thank you to Mrs. McKean and everyone who participated. It was really a lot of fun. All right, that's the end of our final 5th grade farewell meeting. Thank you all, and we look forward to our celebration.